Roman Catholic Church in medieval Europe. How influential was the Roman Catholic Church in medieval Europe? Introduction. The Catholic Church in Europe had a heavy influence during the High Middle Ages, the period from about 1000 to 1300 CE. The Church was the center of life in medieval Western Europe. Almost every community had a church building, and larger towns and cities had a cathedral. Church bells rang out the hours, called people to worship, and warned of danger. The church building was the center of community activity in many parts of daily life. Religious services were held several times a day. Town meetings, plays, and concerts were also held in churches. Merchants had shops around the square in front of the church. Farmers sold their produce in the square, and markets, festivals, and fairs were held there as well. During the Middle Ages, the church was a daily presence from birth to death. It provided education and helped the poor and sick. In fact, religion was so much a part of daily life that people even said prayers to decide how long to cook an egg. Christian belief was so widespread during this time that historians sometimes call the Middle Ages the Age of Faith. People looked to the church to explain world events. Storms, disease, and famine were believed to be punishments sent by God. People hoped prayer and religious devotion would prevent such disasters. They were even more concerned about the fate of their souls after death. The church claimed that salvation, or the saving of one's soul, would come to those who followed its teachings. In this lesson, you will learn how the church began and how it expanded. You will also discover how much the church influenced people's daily lives during the High Middle Ages.